Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel Bldash, short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am going to explain that group reagents what are required for cations for the salt analysis. Group reagent mean for basic radical. Basic radicals they are called cations and acid radicals called anions. Now we will see how many groups are there and all the things I will explain here, that is part 3 and part 4. The combination of part 3 and part 4, here I will see how many groups are there. You know, the first one is 0 group. Including 0 group, other 7 groups are there. For different group, different reagents are required. Reagents are applicable, one should remember. Now, here total how many groups then? Then 7 groups. And starting with 0 group, and here we will see what are the groups reagents required. And when we see 0 group, actually you will see here 0 group has no proper reagent. Simply sodium hydroxide required. So group 0 has no group reagent. And what is the cation here? Remember, ammonium. What is that? Ammonium. Positive charge, and that is, it is called cation and name is ammonium. And first group has reagent, that is dilute hydrochloric acid. Sorry. That means here first group reagent, that is dilute hydrochloric acid. So if you add dilute hydrochloric acid, what type of things change? Then, and there is any precipitator? Yes. If precipitator, white precipitator, then you can say that is Pb plus 2. So what is the meaning? Here Pb plus 2 is there. Ag plus 1 is also there, but it is not in your syllabus, and leave it only Pb plus 2. Group 2, then you will come to group 2. What are the cations? So many cations are there. What is required for our syllabus, for in our syllabus what is present, we will see. Group 2 cation has group reagent hydrogen sulfide gas. And you know what is the smell of the hydrogen sulfide gas? Rotten egg smell in the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid. And here the cations Pb plus 2, Cu plus 2, As plus 3, and these are precipitated as sulfide. Generally, you know, sulfide, the color is yellow, so the black color, and some are yellow color. So, but anyhow, in our syllabus, that is very important, Pb plus 2 and Cu plus 2. Now, group 3 cation has a reagent that is called ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. You add ammonium chloride, then excess of ammonium hydroxide, then what happened? Here the useful cations you can observe, that is Fe plus 3, Al plus 3, these are the cations which are giving hydroxide and as precipitate. So later you will see what is the color of the precipitate, all the things. First you remember now, group 3 cation, the reagent is ammonium hydroxide in the presence of ammonium chloride. And here the ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride, then here what happened? According to common ion effect, here you will get hydroxide. The hydroxide are colored substance. Then you will see group 4. Group 4 has group reagent. You know, in group 3, third group, what you are adding? Ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. And here what to do? Here you will pass H2S gas. So is the H2S gas in the presence of ammonium hydroxide, and also you will take ammonium chloride and ammonium chloride. So you will take ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, because this is the common ion effect. It gives that one hydroxide, and after that it will give sulfide. Ni plus 2, Mn plus 2, Ni plus 2 nickel plus 2, Mn plus 2 means manganese plus 2, zinc plus 2, cobalt plus 2. Here it gives sulfides, and you will observe what are the colors of these sulfides. Group fifth means has a group reagent, that is ammonium carbonate, in the presence of ammonium hydroxide. And here also you will add ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, and due to common ion effect, ammonium carbonate gives the compound known as carbonates. And what are the cations here? Ca plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ba plus 2. So now you can see this all the elements, cations, that belongs to second group, and precipitate is carbonate. Here you can observe all are white color, because this is Ca, Cr, Ba belong to second group, and the same type of precipitate, same color precipitate you can observe here, that is your white precipitate. So have you remember? Again start to remember these things: ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate is solid one. Then group 6. Group 6 has no group reagent, and here no group reagent, then what to do? No group reagent, then you will do the specific reagent. You will take form Mg plus 2. Here you can observe group 5th has the reagent ammonium carbonate, ammonium hydroxide, and also ammonium chloride. Here you will take plus NH4Cl also. So now total you see how many groups are there? 7 groups. 0 group has no reagent. 1 group has dilute hydrochloric acid. Second is dilute hydrochloric acid and H2S gas. Third, ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. Fourth, that means H2S gas is passed through the solution of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Group 5th, that is the ammonium carbonate, that is white color, and solid you will add in the presence of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Here the cations are Ca plus 2, Sr plus 2, and Ba plus 2. And group 6, that has no reagent. Now we will see, I hope it is clear, how many groups? 7 groups, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 also no cation, that is group reagent, and first group 0 group also no cation reagent. Now we will say one by one group, that is 0 group. So general procedure for the wet test for basic radical. How will proceed? You know there are 2 tests. One is dry test, other is wet test. The dry test it is finished. Then wet test, that is having group reagent for the different groups. And what happened in this particular group? You are adding something. You will observe now. So let us 0 group. You take the salt solution. Sodium hydroxide is added and heated properly, then ammonia smell is evolved. If you don't know ammonia smell, then see in your lab where ammonia is there and smell it. If it is happening, then you are sure that 0 group is present. What you are sure? That 0 group is present. And what is maybe? You know 0 group reagent, I told just before, 0 group reagent, that is NH4 plus ammonium ion. Similarly, if we proceed to first group, then what happened? Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the salt solution. Now in 0 group you will add sodium hydroxide, ammonia smell. In first group what happened? Dilute hydrochloric acid, and then you observe that is white. Very important. This is very important to remember. White precipitate is formed, that indicates first group, that is maybe Pb plus 2 and Ag plus 1, but Pb plus 2 is sufficient to know about in this class, so leave Ag plus 1. Here also giving white precipitate. Now then here second group, if you proceed 0 group, if 0 group there is no ammonia smell, what to do? You will go to first group. First group you are adding dilute HCl, white, no white precipitate, where you will go? You will go to second group. Now your second group, take dilute hydrochloric acid and add to the solution. What is the solution given in a test tube? Then pass H2S gas, that is rotten egg smell gas. Again see, you will take salt solution, dilute hydrochloric acid. If there is no test in first group, then same test tube pass H2S gas. The same test tube mean containing dilute HCl and salt solution. And what happened here? Second group gives colored precipitate. If colored precipitate form, then surely the second group you will test one by one. Pb plus 2, Cu plus 2, Hg plus 2, Cd plus 2, As plus 3. But generally, Hg plus 2 mercury, Cd mean cadmium plus 2, As mean arsenic plus 3 are not required in this class. Then if it is no, that means here no second group, then what happened? No color precipitate, no precipitate is formed. That indicates after passing H2S gas, no precipitate obtained, no color also. So that means here second group option you will go to what? You will go to third. So saturated solution. What do you mean saturated solution? Large amount of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide taken so that the that means so that smell of ammonia should come, and to that salt solution is added. And here also it gives precipitate, different color precipitate. That means it is third group. If second group absent, then you will go to third group. And third group totally a new test tube you take, and saturated solution of ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, that is added to salt solution in another test tube. Then what happened? Precipitate form. It may be Al plus 3, Fe plus 3 and Fe plus 2. That means what indicates? Whether it is Al plus 3 or Fe plus 3 or Fe plus 2. These three are very important. Then you will go to saturated solution of ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and pass H2S gas. That is for fourth group. That means if zero option, you will go to first. If first option, you go to second. If second option, then you go to third. If third option, then you go to proceed to fourth. And here what to do? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide added to solution. Then pass H2S gas, precipitate obtained. It may be zinc, Zn plus 2, manganese, Mn plus 2, nickel, Ni plus 2, or maybe cobalt, Co plus 2. You will see according to color what it may be, then you proceed for confirmed test. Then saturated solution of ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, and then add ammonium carbon when there is no precipitate after passing H2S gas. If no H2S, after passing H2S, no precipitate, then surely the fourth group absent. Fourth group absent, that means zinc, manganese, nickel, cobalt plus 2. And here saturated solution you take ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and add ammonium carbon. This is for what group? This is for fifth group. So here white precipitate obtained and it is Ba plus 2, Cr plus 2, Ca plus 2. Ba plus 2 means barium, Sr means plus 2 and calcium, that is Ca plus 2. Now if you see no specific reagent for sixth group, when you will directly you will proceed to confirm test. So here conclusion, what is the conclusion? By using group reagent, one may know what is the type of group with the cations, your cation present. If in that group so many cations are there, you will do one by one confirm test of each cation and confirm that what is the cation present in your test. So for zero group, if you use that is specific test, if it is not present, is absent, then proceed to first. If group reagent, after adding group reagent, no precipitate, then go to second. Likely will proceed up to sixth group. After knowing the group of cation, suppose you are doing different tests and lastly you are proving that yes, I have the third group cations. In third group cations, what are the cations present? Then test one by one. Third group means Al plus 3, Fe plus 3, Fe plus 2. Which one is present with you? Test Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, 1 by 1, then do Al plus 3, then surely you can get your cations, which one you will do confirm test. I hope it is clear. One by one you do test. First you do 0. 0 group only one cation, that is ANH4 plus 1. If absent, then go to first group with dilute HCl, white precipitate octane, then Pb plus 2 present. If not, go to second. In that only will pass H2S gas, sulfide present, colored. If no color precipitate is formed, no precipitate is formed, then go to third group, where you will add ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. If precipitate, then Fe plus 2 or Fe plus 3 or Al plus 3, according to the precipitate color, you may guess what would be the cation. Third group, then go to fourth group. In fourth group, you will take ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide and pass H2S gas. And here color precipitate octane if they are present. If the cations of the fourth group present, surely you can show that the cation. What are the cations? Manganese plus 2, zinc plus 2, cobalt plus 2, nickel plus 2. Okay. If not, proceed to fifth group, where ammonium carbonate is the main group reagent, where you will add ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide also. Then if no precipitate, white. Remember, the fifth group only give white precipitate. If absent, then proceed to sixth group. And after that, we will see what are the confirmed tests one by one. If group cation present, how can proceed the confirmed test for the particular cation. I hope it is clear, and thanks for watching my video about the group cations and the group reagent.